Are you glued to learning new things every day? Welcome to Tell Me More, the channel in which you will find crazy facts about anything that you can imagine. Stay tuned. In this video, we will take a look at some of the most unexpected, peculiar, and unusual inventions that ended up changing the world in a big way. From the Slinky to the pet rock, these inventions may seem silly or pointless at first glance, but they have had a significant impact on society and culture. We will explore the history, impact, and legacy of each invention, and how they became so successful despite their seemingly ridiculous nature. So join us and be ready to be surprised as we unveil the top 10 inventions that changed the world in a big way. Now let's dive into it. 10. The Slinky. The Slinky is a simple toy made of a long, coiled spring. When one end is lifted and released, the spring stretches and contracts, walking down stairs or across a flat surface. The toy was invented in 1943 by naval engineer Richard James, who was experimenting with tension springs. He accidentally knocked one off a shelf and was surprised to see it walk down a flight of stairs. He and his wife Betty later developed the toy and began selling it in the 1950s. The Slinky quickly became a popular toy and is still sold today. 9. The Pet Rock. The Pet Rock is a smooth, polished rock that comes in a small cardboard box, complete with air holes and a care manual. The toy was invented in 1975 by advertising executive Gary Dahl. He marketed it as a low-maintenance pet that required no feeding, grooming, or walking. The Pet Rock became a popular fad and sold over 1.5 million units in its first 6 months. 8. The Segway. The Segway is a two-wheeled, self-balancing personal transportation device. It uses gyroscopic stabilization to maintain balance and can be controlled by leaning forward or backward. The Segway was invented in 2001 by inventor Dean Kamen, who intended it to revolutionize transportation. While it hasn't quite achieved that goal, it has been used by law enforcement agencies, touristic places, and some industrial sites, and also in some delivery services. 7. The Chia Pet. The Chia Pet is a clay figurine that sprouts chia seeds to create hair. The user sprays the figurine with water and then applies the seeds, which will sprout and grow within a few days. The toy was invented in 1977 by Joe Pettit and became a popular gift item. 6. The Snuggie. The Snuggie is a blanket with sleeves that allows the user to keep warm while still being able to use their hands. It was invented in 2008 and became a popular item through infomercials. The Snuggie was marketed as a way to stay warm while reading, watching TV, or using the computer. Before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. 5. The Shake Weight. The Shake Weight is a dumbbell that is shaken rather than lifted to exercise the arms. It was invented in 2009 and became a popular infomercial product. The Shake Weight was marketed as an easy and convenient way to tone the arms and shoulders. 4. The Selfie Stick. The Selfie Stick is a device that allows the user to take a photo of themselves with a smartphone or camera by extending the device further away from the body. It typically consists of an adjustable telescoping rod with a phone holder or camera mount at one end and a handle at the other end. The device was invented in 2014 and quickly became a popular accessory for taking selfies, as it allows the user to capture a wider angle and include more people or background in the photo. 3. The Mood Ring. The mood ring is a ring that contains a thermochromic element, which changes color based on the temperature of the wearer's finger. The ring was marketed as a way to indicate the wearer's mood based on the color of the stone. It was invented in 1975 and became a popular fashion accessory. 2. The Fidget Spinner. The Fidget Spinner is a small toy that spins around a central bearing. It was invented in the 1990s, but became popular in 2017 as a way to relieve stress and anxiety. It was marketed as a way to help people focus and increase concentration. However, it lost popularity soon after. 1. The Pogo Stick. The Pogo Stick is a toy that allows a person to jump up and down by hopping on a spring-loaded stick. It was invented in 1919 by George Hansberg and became a popular toy in the 1970s. The Pogo Stick was marketed as a fun and exciting way to get exercise and as a way to improve coordination and balance. The Pogo Stick is still a popular toy today, and there are even competitions and tricks that can be performed on them. Additionally, Pogo Stick has been used by fitness enthusiasts as a low-impact cardiovascular workout, and it is also used in some extreme sports like pogo tricking. That's all. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Have you ever used any of these inventions? Tell us in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give the video a thumbs up, and turn on post notification so that you do not miss the upcoming videos. See you in the next one.